hello dear student and dear learners, today we are here for 75 days hard challenge। और इसमें हमारे साथ आरती हैं। आरती से आज क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं हम, किस तरीके से आरती ने, जो भी आरती के बारे में हमें पूछना है, दैट इज़ द वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज द हार्ड चैलेंज टू इंग्लिश। आई विल आस्क यू द question in English, you have to answer in English only.
Yes.
Right? So are you ready, Aarti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aarti, first introduce yourself, just little bit. You have to introduce just yourself, your name, where do you live, and your education. Just 3 parts you have to cover in your introduction. So introduce yourself first.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aarti.
आप frame से बाहर आए, हाँ इधर आइए।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aarti. I am living in Saharanpur. I have completed my graduation and post graduation.
Okay, you have done your post graduation. So from where have you done your post graduation?
I complete my graduation from Muzaffarnagar.
In which college? From which college?
DVD Degree College.
DAV Degree College.
DAV Degree
okay,
College.
That's great. And what is your strength? What do you think about your strength? What is your positive point?
I don't know.
You don't know what your positive point. You are a hard worker.
Yes.
You are
sir.
a hard worker or not?
Yes, sir. I am.
And you also the multitasking. You should
Yes,
know
sir.
about your strength, because strength is your things. When you increase your confidence, so strength playing the very great role, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your weakness?
My
what do you think about your
weakness
weakness?
is I am very low confidence.
Okay, your confidence is a very big problem.
Very
okay. You are
biggest
nervous
problem.
front of the camera?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Think about that. This is not a camera. This is
yes,
not
sir.
a camera. This is your audience also.
Yes, sir.
So don't think about that. Suppose that every things is here. This is the podium and this is a chair. So don't think about that. Camera is just an instrument.
Yes,
Do you know? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the instrument.
Yes.
So why you are hesitating from the camera? Think about that. This is the instrument.
Yes, sir. But
This is not a human being.
not, sir. But
Okay.
I don't explain.
Okay,
this
you have knowledge,
question.
but you can't express your knowledge
Yes,
front
sir.
of the camera, front of the people,
Peoples,
right?
yes,
and
sir.
this is your biggest problem.
Yes, sir.
You want to solve this problem or not?
Solve this problem.
You want to solve.
I want to
Do
solve
you know,
this problem.
Do you know how you can solve this problem?
Yes, sir. I do solve this problem. More confident today, improve day by day myself, and talk about him. Talk about front of people's also. That's it, sir.
And also the 3 things: practice, and practice. You need to do practice if you want to become a fluent speaker and you want to remove your hesitation. And confidence.
Yes,
if you
sir.
want to build your confidence,
Yes,
you
sir.
need to do practice.
Yes, sir.
If you do practice to someone, okay, I will give you the second task.
Yes, sir.
Second task, you have to talk to someone who is stranger for you on the call. Over the call, you talk to someone. So you wanna complete this task today or no?
Not, sir. Not complete.
Not now.
this, sir.
Okay, you have to practice.
Yes, sir.
I will give you the call, right?
Yes, sir.
Random call.
Yes,
we are
sir.
making the random call to someone.
Yes, sir.
And that type activity also the part of 75 days hard challenge.
Yes, sir.
So today's session is very great, but you need to improve yourself.
Improve
next
yourself,
time. Okay.
yes.
Guys, अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है, ये 75 डेज का हार्ड चैलेंज आपको पसंद आ रहा है, तो वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। मिलते हैं आपको
Thank you.
नेक्स्ट 75 हार्ड चैलेंज में। सो
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.